We got some unnecessary mods here. Why are they unnecessary? Because I already have 2 Raceseng Shift Knobs that I bought last year during the Black Friday sale, but I got 2 more that just came in and we're gonna unbox them. I guess at this point you could just call me a shift knob collector, a shift knob connoisseur, who knows. I got these, well, there was one that I really wanted. I haven't even opened these yet. I've always been interested in like the, I don't even know what to call it, like the stick style one. I'll maybe put a photo on screen until I unbox these right now. I don't know if I was gonna like it or not, but they just discontinued it and they had 30% off. So I got that. And then they had another one that I liked. It caught my eye. It was really heavy and I wanted a heavier weighted knob too. So I got that one. So now we got both of them here, all right? Let's see which one's which. I didn't even look at these yet. This is the Cylix, okay, or Cylix, I don't even know how to pronounce it. This is the one I was referring to that they stopped making. So let's open this first. This is gonna be in that same red translucent as they call it. How do you even open this? Is that a thing? I think I just gotta, give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, just like a little sticker. So this one is similar to the one that I had, which is red. It's called the Stratos, in the sense that it is a red translucent, as they call the color of it. And I got black Alcantara. My other one has black Napa around it. It's circular. This is more of a tall one. Raceseng always does a beautiful job with their presentation. Like, they're really killing it with this. It's a premium product, and you really feel like you're getting a premium product, both in the look, the feel, the packaging, because some people don't put as much effort into packaging, and that does mean a lot. Let's take a look. So this is the one, and this has some good weight to it too. I'll put the specs on screen. Ho ho ho. Oh man, this thing just feels awesome. So some of you know I have the new steering wheel that I got put on, which has some black Alcantara. So this guy right here, I don't know if it's focusing properly, but basically it's red translucent is the color, which looks absolutely gorgeous. I have red translucent with the red Stratos shift knob from them already, with black Napa. This one I went with black Alcantara, which just feels super soft. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. I usually prefer the ball style. I have the 2 already that are more of a ball style, like shifting like from on top, but I was really interested in this one, which I think you could do it however you want anyway. So that's this one. Maybe I'll have some photos, who knows. But it looks and feels amazing. And since I already purchased their adapters and everything for my car, all I needed was the knob. And that's the good thing with these. You know, these can go on any car, you just have to buy the adapter for your car. I already have it, so I could just buy the knob at this point. So let's just leave this guy here for now. And look at this beast. This one is called the Hydro. It's like a circular teardrop shape. It's probably gonna sit a little bit taller than my other circular ones. Maybe similar to this as height, who knows? Really heavy. This thing's 1.2 pounds of solid metal, and it's finished in a black texture. Excited to see this one in person. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Work out with this bad boy. Look at that. Oh wow, that's top heavy for sure. You know, it just wants to like go on its top like that. This one's gonna probably sit pretty low, in the sense of like it's gonna go all the way up to where, maybe around here, but it's definitely gonna sit taller than the other circular knobs that I have, because the other ones are just a circle and then they sit down. So this is gonna sit higher. Sitting higher might make the throw a tad longer. And yeah, like I said, it is tall, a little shorter than this, but since it's so damn heavy, it's also gonna help that throw smooth out, even though it's a little bit taller. And I was interested in trying a slightly taller knob, because if you have a weighted shift knob, it's gonna help it go into gear really, really good. I love a weighted knob for that reason. If it sits lower, the throw won't be as long, the heaviness will help it go in, but having one that sits a little bit taller, like these two, might make it a little bit nicer during, you know, spirited, aggressive driving, because there's gonna be less space in between the steering wheel and the shift knob. Again, this is like small stuff, but mainly I just really like this black texture. Let me see if I could focus in a bit, hold on. Okay, I think that focused in a little bit better now. So now you should be able to see that black texture a little bit better. And I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably take some photos afterwards and just put them on screen randomly throughout so you can see a little bit better. And try and pull this one up again. yeah, so that's it. These are the two of them. They're from Raceseng. As of right now, I have no affiliation with them. I just really like their products. But I am going to reach out to them and try and become a dealer for them on Driven District. I already have Raceseng products and some other stuff on the website, as you guys already know. I'm always looking to add new products. And you know me, if I love a product that I have myself, then that's gonna be one big reason why I wanna start carrying it. Because then I believe in that product. Same thing with the Raceseng exhaust, same thing with the Raceseng Shift Knobs. I believe they produce amazing, high quality products that amplify the driving experience. They make the interior look amazing. You could, customize it to the way you like. So I definitely wanna start carrying some of their products on drivendistrict.com. As of right now, they're not there, but pay attention, stay tuned for it. Hopefully pretty soon we'll have some of them. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys soon.